Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Simply Guitar. In order to do so, here we are at hellosimply.com/simply-guitar, and you can be that guitar player. Songs you love at your fingertips. Are you ready to drive into the world of pop, rock, and jazz with interactive lessons crafted by top musicians? You'll groove at your own pace on acoustic or electric guitar, strum along to songs you love, receive real-time feedback, and track your progress effortlessly. And it is the iOS app of the day. Learn to play chords and tabs, get real-time feedback, play songs from day one, and you can download it on the App Store or you can get it on the Google Play Store. Has a pretty good rating there. So if you're looking to learn how to play the guitar and you're looking for an app that can help you, check out Simply Guitar. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored insights to help you succeed. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Also, check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra and how to get the most out of it. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.